You are grounded.
Why on God's green earth do I have school today? It's literally the middle of June. And I should be out of school by now. This school is not going to get away with trapping us with school any longer. I need to get my sweet revenge. Problem is, I have literally no ideas. I'm seriously starting to run out of creative ways to ruin everyone's life.
Well, maybe instead of coming up with stupid ways to get grounded over and over again, how about you behave and get ungrounded for once? It would really make my life and your life easier. Have you ever thought about that?
First of all, Mom, Bobby Garcia still needs to continue my stupid grounded series, and second of all, stop eavesdropping on me while I'm talking to myself. And third of all, what on earth happened to your voice, Mom?
That is none of your business, Daisy. And guess what? I don't really don't care. Anyways, you're about to be late for school, so get there now before I give you a punishment day.
Bobby Garcia doesn't make punishment day videos.
Get to school now.
Ugh. Fine, Mom. Well, finally here in this torture chamber, I can't wait to sit in Mrs. Christina's boring as heck class. You know, I really think students should have a say if they want to come to school or not. I really hate the fact that we're legally forced to come here. It's not fair.
That is so freaking true, Daisy. Us students should be allowed to come and leave school whenever we feel like it.
Yep, but nope, we need to keep learning dumb BS every single day until we're 18. In fact, we should already be adults since we've both existed for like over 20 years.
Well, if that were to be the case for you two, then I wouldn't be able to make grounded videos. Which, I kind of need to do that in order to keep the channel running.
Shut up, Bobby Garcia, you don't care about our rights. You just want to profit off of us. This is why people hate you.
Yeah, and, I don't care. I'll make as much money off of you guys as I can. Now, continue the video, please.
Anyways, Daisy, I'm so tired of school to the point where I don't even care to do anything bad for the last couple days. I've blown up the school and it's still freaking here. I'm just going to go to class and accept my defeats.
Alright, you do, Kina, but I'm still determined to get my revenge as much as possible. This school will not see it coming.
Alright class, I don't know why we're in school during the middle of June. But if I'm still getting paid to do this, then I'll continue to give you guys lovely knowledge. So today, we'll be learning about how much I need to lose some more weight, because damn, I'm really starting to feel like a fatty. How incredibly rude of you, Daisy. Stop mocking me and shut your mouth before I have to send you to the principal's office for the 1 millionth time. Oh class, I'm so sad right now. My husband left me and I'm so alone. Joey, can you please be my husband? Daisy, how could you say such vile things like that? I'm so done with you. Go to the principal's office right freaking now. Class, I have to go to the bathroom, because I have a massive diarrhea. Stop mocking me, Daisy. Oh good lord, I'm going to be sick.
Well, that was surely a fun time. Wait a second. Principal, why are you standing in front of your door?
Oh, hey Daisy. I'm standing here to watch the fire alarm just in case someone pulls it. Since it happens way too often in this school, you weren't thinking of pulling it.
No. Pulling the fire alarm, isn't really that fun.
Well, glad to know you don't have any bad intentions right now.
Yep, absolutely, zero bad intentions. Anyways, I'm going to head off to the bathroom as I was originally going to do. Oh my God. Pulling the fire alarm is just an amazing idea. Problem is, of course, the principal won't take her eyes off of the alarm, and there aren't any other alarms in the school, so I'm kind of screwed right now. I just need to get the principal's eyes off of the alarm, but how? I've got a genius idea. So, since the principal is guarding the fire alarm, if I go and push it, she'll know it's me. Not if I put on a disguise. If I have a disguise on, even if the principal doesn't see me, she won't be able to rely on the security cameras since, well, I'll be hidden. That way, there will be absolutely no possible way I'll be able to get caught. You are a true genius, Daisy. You are a true genius. Yes. I finally got my Gab disguise all ready to go, and right before school too. Alright, once I get to school, I'll sneak into the locker room, quickly put on the costume, and get right into action. Alright, here we go. Heck yeah, I fit right into the costume. Alright, well, there's nothing else to do other than let's get started with this.
Hey, Gab, why would you do that? Come over here right freaking now.
You can't catch me alive.
Yes, I can. Come back here. Aw man, I can't run any further. I'm so tired. You know what? I'll just call up Gab's parents and suspend her for this. I can't believe Gab would actually do something like this.
What? Are you serious right now? That doesn't sound like Gab at all. Thank you for telling me this. I will for sure teach Gab a lesson.
Honey, who is that on the phone?
That was Principal Clementine. She said that Gab pulled a fire alarm at school. I can't believe Gab would do something like this. She is going to get it once when she gets home.
Hey Mom and Dad, I'm back from school.
Gabrielle Jesselia Perez Montero, tell me what you did, and why you did it right freaking now.
What, Mom? What are you talking about? I was in class at school all day. What could have I done?
Oh, we don't know. Maybe you pulled the fire alarm as a funny June Fool's prank.
June Fools? That is absolutely ridiculous. Why would I ever do something like that?
Because maybe you were influenced by other stupid kids pulling the fire alarm. Whatever the case was, you pulled the fire alarm and caused the school to go into mass panic. So because of that, we're going to have to ground you until your suspension is over.
Goo. Grounded.
You heard your mother, Gab. You're grounded, grounded, grounded. Go upstairs to your room right away.
But Mom and Dad, it wasn't me.
Gab, go to your room right now.
Washington wow 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 wow.
God, I can't believe that child right now. I don't get why she thought it would be a good idea to put the school in danger.
Phew, thankfully all the firefighters left with no harm done, but I'm still pissed at the fact that Gab thought it would be a good idea to pull the fire alarm.
Hey, Principal Clementine, I have a few questions to ask.
Oh yeah, go right ahead, Mrs. Christina.
I heard Gab got suspended for pulling the fire alarm, but Gab was in my classroom the whole time it happened.
Wait, hold up, what?
Yeah, right as I heard the alarm, Gab was still in her seat. In fact, I don't think she got up to leave the classroom for the whole day.
But what? How? What?
Yeah, and I guess while I'm here, did you ever suspend Daisy for mocking me?
No. What are you talking about?
Daisy was mocking me in class earlier, insulting me and whatnot, so I sent her to this office and she should have came here.
Well, Daisy was approaching the office, but asked about the fire alarm and went off to the bathroom.
Wait, hold on, let me get this straight. Daisy asked about the fire alarm, went to the bathroom, the fire alarm went off while Gab was still in class, and... Wait a second, I think I know what happened.
Oh God, what could it be?
Daisy must have dressed up as Gab and pulled the fire alarm to try and frame her or something. which caused the real Gab to get suspended and punished. This is all Daisy's fault. Gab had nothing to do with this and she just got punished for no reason.
What? Oh my god, it all adds up now. Oh, that Daisy is going to be in big trouble right now.
She did what? Oh heck no. How dare Daisy? Thank you so much for telling me, and I'm so deeply sorry about her behavior. Daisy is going to get so grounded. Grounded. Daisy! Get your sorry butt down here right freaking now! You are going to get the biggest grounding of your life for what you've done!
Daisy, how dare you pull the fire alarm disguised as Gab so you can get away with it? Oh, no way today. You're getting away with it. That's it, you are grounded until the camp hipster gets reunited.
Go to your room, you disgraceful little girl. I am gonna on psyching. No. Wow.